Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to install the Google Ads tag in a Wix website directly, quickly and easily. Before we go straight to the point, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. Step number one, you are going to log in to your Google Ads account. Now you're going to go to the left-hand side and under Tools, you're going to open Shared Library. You're going to go to your Audience Manager, and here you're going to go to your data sources. Now, once you're here, you are going to click Details under your Google Ads tag, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to open Tag Setup. Now, pay special attention. We're going to click here, install the tag yourself. You're going to see the code here, and what we need to do is we need to copy this ID, right? So AW- and whatever number it shows there, you need to copy this ID that you can find under your Google tag. So you're going to see the code here, and inside the code, you're going to see this ID. Again, AW- and a number. We're going to copy this number, and now we're going to go back to our Wix website. We're going to use the search bar. We're going to look for marketing integrations. So we're going to click here, marketing integrations. And here you're going to see Google tag as the first option. We're going to say connect. We're going to click here on add Google tag ID, and we're going to paste this number here and click save. And that's it. That's all you need to connect Google Ads tag with your Wix website. So once again, you start with Google Ads, you go to Tools, Audience Manager, you navigate to the sources, you select your Google Ads tag, you say I want to install the tag myself, and you copy this ID that you're going to find within the code of your Google Ads tag. Then you go to Wix, you go to marketing integrations, you select Google tag, you paste this number in, you save, you are done. You can find marketing integrations now from the left-hand side. If you don't want to use the search on Wix, you go to settings. Under settings, you scroll down. Again, here, the last option is marketing integrations. You're going to come here. The first option you're going to see is Google tag. You click connect, add Google tag ID. You paste that specific ID. You save, and that's all. That's the new updated process. So I hope that it was helpful for you. I hope you solved your problem. If you did, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day in